Hi guys, today we are going to solve a lead code problem. The name is number of island and the number is 200. Question number is 200. So if you read the question, it basically asks us to how many island in this matrix. So island is basically the connected ones. If you see this is a connected one, this is a connected one, this is a connected one. So we can consider this whole group to be a island like that. Sorry, this ones are also connected, so this whole group considered to be a one island. Okay, so that how we have to find the number of connected ones, so we can find the number of ones in the island. So okay, this is the question. So it is very straightforward question. See, basically it is a medium level question, but if you know the DFS, BFS and the simple matrix traversal, then you can easily solve this question. So let's solve this. So the approach is basically how we are going to solve this. We are going to travel all around the matrix, and in every index we are going to check if this island is already visited or not. If it is visited, then we are going to what we are going to visit this island and also mark this island to be visited. Then uh, when we return from that island, we basically increase the count. Okay, so yeah, that's how we are going to solve this. So let's create the sum of the first variable in this grid. So grid is basically the size. First is the grid size. Let's take it sorry let's take it row size. Row size will be grid size, and the column size will be grids 0th index element dot size. Okay, this is the row size and column size. Fine. So what we are going to do first, we are going to travel in the matrix. So we are going to start row index is initially 0, row index is less than row size, then row index is index plus plus, then again travel from column index equal to 0, column index is less than column size, column index plus plus, column index plus plus. Yeah, this is it. This is the way we do it. Okay, then what we'll do, we do a DFS here. Okay, we do a DFS here, and we maintain a answer which is basically initially 0, and we check if this grid row index and column index is double equal to 1. If it is 1, then what we're going to do, we are going to do a DFS here. We are going to DFS here. In the DFS, what we will do, basically pass the row index and column index, and grid we have to pass. Anything else we need to pass? Nothing. That's all. Okay, we do the DFS, and when we return from the DFS, we just increase the count of the answer. Correct. Fine. This is all about we need to do, and we have to return the NS. This is fine. So when return the NS, we have to implement this DFS function. Okay, this is the DFS function. So how are you going to implement? It will return something. No, it will not going to return anything. So it will be void dfs, then it will receive the current index, sorry, current row, and cur current column, then vctur, sorry, cjar, grid. So first check if it is safe. If it is not safe, what not safe? The current row, current column, then grid. Okay, if it not safe, then return from here. If it is safe, then what we will do? We do a for loop, auto d in dir. We are going to do the, we are basically going to travel all the left index, right index, right index, up index, down index. So to travel those indexes, so we have to write this dir. So let's write this dir. So it will be vector, let's make it pair of pair, correct. Then we are going to name it dir. Then the array looks like 1 0, then -1 0, then 0 1, then 0 -1. Okay, this is the direction. So we have to find out the next index. Okay, so next will int next row equal to next row. Next row will be what? This will be the current row plus this d dot first. Okay, then int next column will be current column plus d dot ssund. Okay, this is the new next row and next column. So what we'll have to do here, we just do the dfs here. Dfs what? Next row, next column, then grid. And when we travel there, for example, this is a safe index and we have traveled. So what we'll do? Grid, we have to mark it that it is visited. So current row and current column equal to what? Just change it to 0. Okay, just change this to 0. Perfect. Mark it 0, dfs, then that's all we have to do. Just we have to implement this is not safe function. It will going to return the boolean is not safe, then int current row, then int current column, then it will be vctur grid. Okay, and what we'll have to do here, we are going to return if current row is less than 0 or current column is less than 0 or what? Current row sorry, grid dot size, current row is grid greater than or equal to grid dot size, or current column is greater than equal to grid of 0th index dot size. Perfect. Any of them is true, then it will return true. Or current, sorry, grid grid of current row, current column double equal to what? 0, then it is not safe. Fine. I think that is all we have to do. Let's run it. Let's see, is there any syntax error? Yeah, correct. It is accepted. Indeed, it is accepting the example test case. Let's submit it. Let's see, it is indeed it is accepted and working fine. So that's all, guys. This is all about this question. It is a pretty simple question. This is not much about to very difficult here. Very simple thing we are just basically doing. We are traversing all the indexes in the array, sorry, in the matrix, and checking if this is a 1, then we are doing a DFS in this array, and while we are doing DFS, just marking this index to be visited, and again we are doing the DFS for the next indexes. This is simple question, pretty easy one. I hope you got this question. If you did not get this question, then you can comment down in this video, and I will try to reply on this. Fine. Or yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.